Here we have a temper. DR75009. Here we have the 1105 South Western Railway service to Weymouth. From a double pairing of 444s. The front being 444015. So I'll get the rest to you when it departs. Right, going out now is the 1105 South Western Railway service to Weymouth. Oh, yeah, to Weymouth. Front being 444015. On the back being 444022. That train will now be calling at Southampton Airport Parkway.
The 1118 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo has been cancelled.
New Milton, Hinton
Admiral,
Christchurch,
on the railway.
Hope South Moscow,
Bournemouth, will take longer than planned.
Paul, Hamworthy, Holton Heath, Wareham Morton, Dorchester Upway and Weymouth. This train will be dividing at Bournemouth. The front portion of that train will be going to Weymouth and the back portion of that train will be finishing its journey at Bournemouth.
Thank you.
There goes 17005 from Norley Street to Southampton Marine Container Terminal. Right, pulling in here now is the 1122 South Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Bringing this in is 444003. Triple 4032. 444032. Off to Portsmouth Harbour. This train will be calling at Eastleigh, Hedge End, Botley, Fareham, Portchester, Cosham, Hillsea, Fareham, Portsmouth, Southsea, Portsmouth Harbour. It should get into Portsmouth in about 1 hour's time. Right, starting out here is the 11:22 South Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour. Triple fours, everything. Here we got a double pairing of 455s. 455, 74. And 455, 737. Off to Bournemouth Traction Rolling Stock Depot from Wimbledon.